welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make toddler Easter baskets. So come on and let's make some with me. So before we make our Easter basket, I'm going to show you what I got and where I got it. We're going to start at the Dollar Tree. So I got these cute little chalk Easter eggs. They are the shape of eggs and I got them for $1. Next, I got some bubbles, and they are 2 carat bubbles. So I have one for each of my kids. So basically 50 cents each. Perfect. Then I found this super cute Spider-Man jump rope, $1 at the Dollar Tree. And my daughter is all about like poop emojis kind of type thing. And so I found this cute poo doo squishy goo poo. So you stretch it and twist it and bounce it. That'll be kind of cute. And lastly, from the Dollar Tree, I got these cute little princess nails. They're all different princesses and super cute. So at the Dollar Tree, I spent $5 total. So now we're gonna go on to Target and see what I got at Target. So from the dollar section, I found these 2 cute little finger paint bathtub soaps, and they're both in Sunrise Orange, perfect for my 2 kids. They were $1 each. And I also found another poop flingers. You're just like fling the poop, and that's again for my daughter. And this was $1 as well. Then during the after Valentine's Day sale, when everything was 70 to 90% off, I found these stretchy unicorn putties. And these unicorn putties were originally $1 at that time, but I did get them for 10 cents. And there is 4, I think. Yeah, there's 4 of them. There's 1 green, 2 orange, and 1 blue. Then I also got these super cute M&M smiley faces, and I got 2 of them, and I want to say they were 30 or 40 cents each. Again, a really good deal. And lastly, I did get this M&M Valentine's Day as well, 10 cents. Maybe it was 20 cents, 10 or 20 cents, super good deal. And then I went to CVS a couple weeks ago to do my couponing and for my diapers and all my other things that I do. And I found this sparkling rosé grape juice drink. It was 60 cents. It was again from the Valentine's Day. So I'm super excited about putting these baskets together. So let's go on and put them together. So before we get started, this basket I did get for 30 cents a couple years ago, and then this basket I already had. So this is my daughter's basket, this is my son's basket. And these I got last Easter for 10 cents. So there you have it. I made them all by myself for under $10 each. I hope you enjoyed this video, and press that subscribe button down below and click the thumbs up button if you liked it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.